first thing is let's talk about our equipment. It is very preferable. It will help us a lot to have a non-stick pan, okay? And then the next piece of equipment is our spatula. If you have a silicone spatula, that would be great. It gets really thin and will really slide under those crepes to help us flip them. We have the right equipment. I'm gonna start warming up my pan. And then the next thing we're gonna do is to get that batter that was resting, give it a stir, and let's see if it got too thick. Sometimes the flour absorbs a lot of the moist and it thickens up and we need to adjust. So Chef Vanessa, how do I know the proper thickness or thinness? Well, we wanna have it as thin as heavy cream. Next thing is, let's have a little bit of butter melting on the side, or even like a spray, a non-stick spray. We're gonna be reusing, so I'm using the 8-inch to just have a little butter ready for us. We're going to slather some butter there. Last but not least, it's very important that we pour small amounts of batter on the pan. If we pour too much batter, it's gonna get thick and it's gonna turn into a pancake. So as I pour here, look, I use my wrist to turn this pan just to make sure that the whole thing got covered with the batter. This will take about 2 minutes, sometimes like 1.5 minutes all the way to 3 minutes, depends on a lot of factors. But when you see bubbles forming, that means that is a good time for us to flip it. And I'm gonna get 1, 2, 3, and flip.
Aha!
Yeah, looking good?
Yes.
Looking good. Okay, so that's looking good in there. You want to be working with your heat. The first couple of pancakes, we're adjusting all the variables. All right, would you pass me that plate? Beautiful. Okay, so let me check it out. Brown spots, check. Yum! All right, here. You want to roll that up? Yum. I'm gonna roll mine.
I can't wait.
Too hot? How does it taste? So good? Beautiful.